Gav! What's happened?
He's not breathing, Phil. He's not breathing.
Stand clear.
Clear.
Shock in.
No rhythm.
Charge in. Stand clear.
Clear.
Shock in.
This is an emergency broadcast from the BBC. Please pay attention. Emergency information will soon be broadcast. Please ensure your television is audible and await information. Around 20 minutes ago, NASA informed the United States government that a large boulder-shaped object had been detected hurtling through space. Around 143,000 kilometers from Jupiter, what this object is hasn't been fully determined as of yet. However, this could be an asteroid approaching Earth. This object could pose a threat to human life. You are advised to stay in your homes and avoid being in public areas. This would ensure you are not caught out in the open should this object pose a threat to Earth. Ensure you have a battery-powered radio with spare batteries as TV may go offline. If any friends or relatives of yours are in a public area, don't attempt to contact them, as this may cause widespread telephone and internet issues. Police will inform them of the current situation and tell them to return home. If your children are at school, they will be returned home shortly. NASA is now in communication with the United Nations, the EU and NATO, and information is currently being relayed to governments and experts around the globe. At this time, we have no new information to bring you. However, this is an ongoing situation, and this broadcast will remain active so we can continue to keep you updated. Please stand by. We have received new information regarding the object. NASA has confirmed that it is indeed an asteroid, and they are currently calculating its size and trajectory. There is the possibility that it will miss Earth entirely and not cause any harm. Our advice remains the same. Remain inside, stay calm, and keep a battery-powered radio nearby. Do not panic. This is still a developing situation. We have no more information to bring you at this time. Stand by and await further information. Unfortunately, it has come to NASA's attention that the asteroid is large, almost 2 miles across. It also much closer to Earth than we originally thought. It is now around only 10 minutes before it strikes the planet. The asteroid is expected to strike 2 miles of the Spanish island of Tenerife. The object will generate a huge wave of heat, which will sweep around the planet, burning people as far away as Iceland and the UK. Tsunamis are also expected to be set off and will devastate coastalines around the world. Just to be clear on the effects of the asteroid strike: extreme heat wave to sweep around the planet, third-degree burns as a result of the heat wave, massive tsunamis to devastate coastal regions. Shelters are currently being set up and opened in the following cities across the UK: London, Southampton, Cardiff, Birmingham, Manchester, Belfast, Edinburgh. These shelters will be open for as long as they can or until they are full. The asteroid is estimated to strike in approximately 8 minutes, so you must hastily proceed to these shelters. If you are in a rural area, shelter in a small, concealed area in your home, like a utility room or basement. That is all from us at the BBC. We hope you can make it to the shelters or be able to shelter yourself if you cannot. We wish you all a peaceful, calm and dignified death. We thank you for your services to our great nation. This broadcast will finish with the national anthem. Goodbye from the BBC.